Hello children, hope you all are doing good. Children, here I came up with a variety of pictures to show you. Okay, today see on the screen I am showing you what is there in that. Yes, a man is standing. Where he is standing? On the ladder, isn't it? What is he doing children? ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವರು? Yes, ಅವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ಪೇಂಟ್ ಇದೆ, ಅದನ್ನು ಪೇಂಟ್ ಹಚ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. So children, look at the picture clearly. What is he doing? He is applying or he is painting on the top of the house, isn't it? Where is he? Yes, he is on the top, near to top of the house. And see another picture I am showing you here. What is that? Yes, this is called a tree. You know that. So what is there on the tree? Can you see? Yes, there is a crow on the tree. So children, where is the crow? ಕೆಳಗಿದೆಯಾ ಅದು or ಮೇಲಿದೆಯಾ? ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ? Where it is exactly? Yes, very good. It is on the top of the tree. Isn't it? Is that clear children where it is? It is on the top of the tree. Very good. Next, here I am showing you another picture. In that, what it is? It is a road lamp. You know this. You can see this one on your road. So what is there? Monkey is sitting, isn't it? Where is the monkey? Exactly. Where it is? It is on the top of that pillar, isn't it? So children, you came to know that where we have to call the top. Top means ಮೇಲೆ, ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ವಸ್ತು ಅಥವಾ ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಪ್ರಾಣಿ, ವಾಟೆವರ್. ಸೊ ಅದು ನಾವು ಎತ್ತರಕ್ಕೆ ಇತ್ತಂದರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವೇನಂತೀವಿ? ಮೇಲಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. Is that clear? In English we used to call it as top. The spelling of top is T-O-P. Top means mele. Isn't it? You got it children? So next here in another picture I am showing you. What is in that? Yes, a pot is there. Where the pot is? It is on the fire. Where is the fire children? It is, this fire is touching the bottom of the what? Pot, isn't it? See, where is the fire? ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಅದು fire, it is touching the bottom. ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಇರುವಂಥ ಪಾಟಿಗೆ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಇರುವಂಥ ಭಾಗಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವೇನಂತೀವಿ? ಬಾಟಮ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ದ ಫೈರ್ ಈಸ್ ಟಚಿಂಗ್ ದಿ bottom of the pot, isn't it? See, what is that? You are quite familiar with this, right? Every day you used to drink a glass of milk. Someday if your tummy is full, then what you will do? You will left some milk. Then here in the picture, where is the milk? Yes, exactly. It is the bottom of the glass, isn't it? So children, again in the picture I am showing you a pot. Concentrate on the pot. In that pot I have pour some water. Okay, water is there in that pot. I made a hole where at the bottom of the pot. See here, if I put the hole there, then what happens children? It starts leakage, isn't it? ನೀವು ಪಾಟನ್ನು ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ನೀವು ಹೋಲ್ ಏನಾದರೂ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ನೀರು ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಬರೋಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ವೇರ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಡನ್ ದ ಹೋಲ್? at the bottom of the pot, isn't it? Very good. See here, in this picture I am showing you the flower pot, isn't it? So where is the flower in this pot children? It is on the top. And where is that pot, flower pot? Where it is? It is in the bottom. Have you understood what we call top and bottom? Top andre mele, bottom andre ಕೆಳಗಡೆ. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ ನಿಮಗೆ? Okay, is that clear, children? So here in this picture I am showing you two pots. Okay, see clearly, there is a big pot and ಅದರ ಮೇಲೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಏನಿದೆ, ಚಿಕ್ಕ pot ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? You can see it clearly on the screen. So here what you have to do, you have to put a just right mark to which pot? The pot which is in the bottom. So which pot will come, dear? It will be this pot, isn't it? This pot is top, you can say, and this is bottom. Got it? And here you have to put a right mark over there in the bottom. Got it, children? To which we are calling as top and to at which place we are calling as a bottom. Okay, here one more example I am showing you. Here there are so many sacks. You can say rice sacks, ಚೀಲ ಅಂತೀವಲ್ಲ, ಅಕ್ಕಿ ತುಂಬಿರೋ ಅಂಥ ಚೀಲ ದೊಡ್ಡದಿರುತ್ತೆ. So this is the example for that. We kept one on another ಅಲ್ಲ. So almost 4 to 5 sacks ಇದೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ. So here what you have to do, children, you just put a tick mark on the sack which is at the top. Which sack is at the top? See, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, this is at the top. Here on this sack you have to put a right mark, isn't it? In the next example I am showing you, what is that, children? Yes, you play with these, right? So these are called disc, you know that. You have colorful disc at your home also for playing purpose. Here what I have done, I placed all the colors, first bigger one, then smaller, goes on till very small. Okay, so here what you have to do, you have to put a right mark on the disc which is at the bottom. Okay, so which is in the bottom? Which color it is, children? Yes, exactly. The red color is in the bottom, isn't it? Very good. So next what you have to do, here I have drew some apples. Okay, I forgot to color them. Can you help me just? You have to help me by coloring the apples. From where we have to start? See, I like to start it always from the top. ನೀವು ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ನನಗೆ ಟಾಪ್ದಿಂದ ಕಲರ್ಫುಲ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ? So here I am having apples on the screen which have to be colored. Then where you have to color, children? Top means this one or this one? Yes, exactly. Where it has to come? Here, isn't it? So this is called top of the apples which I have put over there. Okay, is that clear? Thank you for watching video.